Good morning, children. As you know, we have started chapter 2 Snake Bite yesterday. Now, today we will continue this lesson. Yesterday, we have learned that there is a small boy who saw a little snake in the compound and he was crawling towards the boy. When the snake saw the boy, he he was he gone to coconut shell and conceal him. मीन्स जब उस स्नेक ने उस बच्चे को देखा तो उसने वह कोकोनट शेल में गया और वहाँ पे खुद को स्नेक ने छिपा लिया. आफ्टर डैट द बॉय क्वाइटली अप्रोच्ड नियर द कोकोनट shell and take that coconut shell away, and he went to his grandmother that I have caught a snake, and his grandmother feared by hearing this, and he ran towards his grandfather for help. When the grandfather came, he snatched the coconut shell from the boy's hand and told him not to play with the snakes because it was very dangerous. Now we will read the other part of the chapter. Later in the evening, I tried to catch a bee and it stung me on my finger. I felt a sharp pain. The boy was telling about the evening time that he captured the bee. Bee means drone. He captured a drone and that drone had stung on the boy's fingers, and the boy felt a very violent hurt from the bee. I ran to the grandmother and told her that I had bitten and I had wanted her to do something to stop the pain. And when he bitten by the bee, he ran towards the grandmother and told her that he was bitten and he want the help because he was paining very much. Grandmother thought that I had been bitten by a snake. When the boy told that I had been bitten, the grandmother thought that the boy was bitten by a snake. She called out to grandfather to come quickly and see me. Afterwards, the grandmother called the grandfather to come fastly and see what had happened to the boy. Grandfather came at once. Then the grandfather came. He looked at my finger. Then he looked at the fingers of the boy. There was a blue mark. There was a mark of blue color. Without a single word, he took me in his arms and started running. When the grandfather saw a blue mark, without telling a single word, he took the boy in his arms and started to run. He ran across the garden through the paddy fields. The grandfather, taking the boy in his arms, he was running across the garden and a field where rice is grown. मीन्स वह जहाँ पे राइस की खेती होती है उसके दादाजी वहाँ से भागे. राइस की खेती मीन्स पैडी फील्ड्स. He ran and did not stop until he reached a small house quite some distance away from our home. The grandfather was continuously running and he did not stop until he reached to the destination. मतलब जब तक वो गंतव्य तक नहीं पहुंच गए वह कंटिन्यूसली भागते रहे. Then he shouted for the man who lived there. Then he called a man who was living in that small house. An old grey-haired man came out of the house. He knew the cure for snake bites. Then a man came whose hair was grey, and he knew how to treat the patient when he has bitten by snakes. Grandfather asked him to cure me. The old man took us inside. Child grandfather asked that man to cure my grandson. Then the old man took that boy inside. He looked at my finger and then asked me to sit down and not to move. Then the man saw the fingers of the boy and asked the boy to sit down and not to move here and there. I sat on grandfather's lap. The boy sat on the lap of the grandfather. Lap means घुटनों के जो ऊपर का हिस्सा रहता है उसे हम लैप बोलते हैं. The old man then took some water in a small brass vessel. Then the old man took a brass vessel and put some water in the brass vessel. Brass vessel means पीतल का जो कटोरा रहता है उसे हम brass vessel बोलते हैं. Sat in front of us and started reciting some verses. And with that brass vessel, the old man sit in front of the boy and he started telling some verses. मतलब वो कुछ मंत्र बोलने लग गया. I wanted to tell him that it was a bee and not a snake that had bitten me. The boy wanted to tell everybody that I have bitten by a bee, not by a snake bite. However, grandfather held me tight and did not allow me to talk. पर उसके बाद वो लड़का बताना चाहता था कि मैं बी के द्वारा काटा गया हूँ, ना कि स्नेक के बारे में. फिर भी उसके वह कह नहीं पाया क्योंकि दादाजी ने उस लड़के को बहुत ही कड़क से पकड़ रखा था और उस लड़के को कुछ बोलने नहीं दे रहा था. Grandmother too had arrived by then and some other people with her. After some time, grandmother had arrived to that man, and with the grandmother there were some other people also. कुछ समय बाद दादी भी उस जगह पर पहुंची और उनके साथ कुछ और people भी थे. They looked sad and stood silently watching me. All people are very sad and they stand very quietly and all are watching to the boy. By this time the pain in my finger had stopped. अब इस टाइम तक मेरे हाथ में फिंगर में जो पेन हो रहा था वह रुक गया. Still I had to sit there to get cure of the snake bite. फिर भी मेरे को वहाँ बैठना पड़ा क्योंकि मुझे स्नेक बाइट का ट्रीटमेंट दिया जा रहा था. आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट्स द ओल्ड मैन गॉट अप, washed my finger and gave me some water to drink. After some time, the old man stood up, washed the finger of the child, and gave him some water so that he can drink the water. He asked me to keep quiet for some more time. The boy was told to keep silent for some more time. He then turned to grandfather and son, said, "Thank God you brought him in time." He turned, after some time he turned to grandfather. वह ग्रैंडफादर की तरफ मुड़ा और उन्होंने उससे कहा कि थैंक गॉड आप इसको सही टाइम पे ले आए. ही इज़ आउट ऑफ डेंजर नाउ. द मैन सेड द बॉय इज़ आउट ऑफ डेंजर. मतलब अब उसको कोई भी खतरा नहीं है. इट वॉज इंडीड अ पॉइजनस स्नेक दैट बिट हिम. शायद उस आदमी ने कहा शायद वह बहुत ही जहरीला सांप था जिसने इसे काट लिया था. ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर एंड ऑल द अदर थैंक द ओल्ड मैन फॉर द मैजिक क्योर. ग्रैंडफादर, grandmother all had thanked to the old man that he had cured the child. On returning home, grandfather sent him some gifts. After, when all had reached their home, the grandfather had some gifts for the man who had cured the child, and he had sent the gifts that he had cured my grandson. And this story is written by केशव शंकर पिल्लई. केशव शंकर पिल्लई द्वारा यह स्टोरी लिखी गई है. इस स्टोरी में एक छोटा बच्चा रहता है जिसे एक बार सांप दिखता है, और वह सांप जब उस छोटे बच्चे को देखता है तो वो सांप जो है वह कोकोनट शेल में जाके छिप जाता है. फिर चुपचाप वह बच्चा उस कोकोनट शेल की तरफ जाता है और उस कोकोनट शेल को पकड़कर वह दादी के पास ले जाता है कि मैं सांप पकड़ के लाया हूँ. उसकी दादी बहुत ही डर जाती है और उसके दादाजी को बुलाती है. वो दादाजी उससे वह कोकोनट शेल छीन लेते हैं और उससे बताते हैं कि सांप जो है हमारे लिए बहुत ही खतरनाक है. फिर जब शाम का टाइम आता है तो वो जो बच्चा है उसे मधुमक्खी काट लेती है और वो अपने उसके बहुत फिंगर्स पे दुखता है और वो अपनी दादी को जाके बताता है. उसकी दादी जो है दादाजी को बताती है. उसके दादाजी देखते हैं कि बच्चे के हाथ में ब्लू निशान है, तो सब सोचते हैं कि यह ब्लू निशान जो है वह सांप के काटने से हुआ है. फिर उसके दादाजी उसे एक आदमी के पास ले जाते हैं जो सांप से काटने द्वारा जो है वह इलाज करता है. मतलब जब सांप हमें काट लेता है तो वह आदमी उसका इलाज करता है. उसी बीच में वो लड़का सबको बताना चाहता है कि मैं जो हूँ मधुमक्खी द्वारा काटा गया हूँ. पर उसके ग्रैंडफादर जो हैं उसे बहुत ही कड़क तरीके से पकड़ के रखते हैं ताकि वो कुछ बोले नहीं, क्योंकि अगर वो कुछ हिले डुलेगा या कुछ बोलेगा तो उस आदमी का जो ट्रीटमेंट है वो असर नहीं करेगा. और वह आदमी किसका ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा था? स्नेक बाइट का. मतलब उस सब सोचते हैं कि उस बच्चे को स्नेक ने काट लिया होता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम, कुछ समय बाद उस बच्चे को फिंगर्स में दुखना, फिंगर्स का जो उसकी पेन हो रही थी वह दुखना बंद हो जाता है. और कुछ समय बाद वह ओल्ड मैन जो रहता है जो बाइक के स्नेक के काटने का इलाज जो करता है वह कुछ समय बाद उस बच्चे की फिंगर्स को धोता है और उसे पानी पीने के लिए देता है एंड उसे बोलता है कि तुम चुपचाप बैठना कुछ समय के लिए। और जब वह बच्चा ठीक हो जाता है तो सभी दादा दादी पीपल जो है सब अपने घर लौट जाते हैं और घर लौटने के बाद बच्चे के दादाजी उस ओल्ड मैन को कुछ गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने उसके पोते को ठीक कर दिया था।